We have moved into our awesome apartment here in Bangkok, and it's been kind of a little bit of a culture shock just because we came from Koh Chang where there was no COVID drama. Not that there's any COVID drama here necessarily, but like for example, in the apartment complex, anytime you leave your room, you have to have a mask on, and they have signs everywhere. Also, when you go into the elevator, it makes everybody face away from each other. Just wait until we get in there. But here we are, waiting for the elevator. Y'all, this place is bougie. Bougie, bougie, bougie. This is the floor thing I was talking about. Hello. So, in the fanciness, we do that. We are going to the ground floor. The really nifty thing about this apartment is that apart from it having like a pool and a gym and a bunch of stuff that I'm going to show you, it also has a mini mart right downstairs. It's open 24 hours. And I need water before I go hang out by the pool.
The door is opening.
So if you watched our other update video, you would know that Daniel and I got into a very nasty motorcycle accident. Cue the nasty pictures here. And my left arm has been really uncomfortable. And so even pressing all those buttons that you just watched me press really hurt. But like I mentioned, it has a mini mart. It used to have a coffee shop, but I have a feeling that the coffee shop went under when COVID happened because it looks pretty abandoned. It also has a nifty salon that butchered Daniel's mustache yesterday. It was really funny. Daniel had mentioned that he wanted his mustache and beard trimmed, and they shaved the whole thing off. So there's no cameras allowed, so I'll catch up. All right, shop has been done. I got some water. I'm gonna spoil myself today. I got some face scrubs because they have a really nifty sauna in here as well. And the last time when we were in Koh Chang, I took like a very special 1 day off that we spent at a hotel that had like a spa or whatever. And the scrub just like reinvented my soul. And so I'm gonna try and recreate that today with our bougie little apartment that we're gonna be showing you today. The Thai King, of course. And boom. That was fast. Now for where all the action happens. The 7th floor. Okay. So here is like a garden area, I think. And you can see like the metro, you can see a temple with a Buddha. One of my favorite things about this apartment is the fact that we get to see all of Bangkok. It feels like we're right in the center of the city. Area to fill up water. The entire building's laundry facilities, which this is super duper nifty because you're able to just click a button and then you can pay. And they even have an app, so you scan a QR code and then you're able to put all of the stuff into your washer and it tells you when the stuff is done. Also, gotta change some coins because it's only a coin laundry. So now to see, I don't see anything that doesn't allow cameras, but I may have to be a little bit more quiet here. So we do this, we push. So here is the gym area. It's actually a really nice sort of like bougie gym. And then obviously a whole bunch of social distancing stuff. I may just walk backwards so you can see me and the area behind me. Here they also have a billiards table that you can use I think until like 8 o'clock. Again, super duper bougie gym. Again, really beautiful view of the city. And they also have a library / co-working space, which needless to say, I'm gonna have to be very silent in. But let me show you this now. Oh, I used the wrong hand again. That was so dumb. So you can check out any of these books. You can sit and look here. Again, here's just like the view of the city and the MRT and the Buddha. They have like private study rooms here. Places where you can't sit because of social distancing. I don't know when these will be open. And then a whole station that has plugs here. Press the button. All right, sweet, it's empty. And I actually think that this is now where I can take off my mask, which guys, by the way, how cool is my mask? We came out with a line of Chaser Adventure travel masks where it's just a whole bunch of really adorable travel themed things. So if you guys want to get a Chaser Adventure travel mask, super comfy, super scratchy, you can go to shop.chaseradventure.com or click the link down in the description below. On other news, look at how fancy this is. They have a sauna. This is the sauna. This is the control panel for the sauna, and there's nobody ever here. So this is actually where I plan on doing my little face scrub and like Annette's mental health day. And toilets, more toilets, a shower, a really nice sink area, a locker room, so you can put like your stuff in the locker and lock it as well. And then, the pool. That's where I'm hanging out today. And that's a hot tub over there that's not being used. And then this is our building in proper Bangkok condo fashion. And then you can overlook the whole city. Now that I'm down here, it's time for me to get changed and go hang out poolside. Ready for the pool, yay! Do not sit, social distancing. So I don't know how deep this is, but I'm just gonna go for it. Is it cold? It's not cold. It's actually not bad, and I keep forgetting to not use my bad hand, because, you know, your girl's a genius. Tell you about this apartment. We found it on Airbnb. Sorry, I was swimming, so I'm a little out of breath. We found it on Airbnb, and I think it was like $560 a month, which on average is way more than we usually pay for accommodations. But if you guys saw a lot of our other vlogs, where we were living before in Koh Chang, which was absolutely beautiful. It was in like a 2-bedroom house that overlooked a river and a waterfall. It was beautiful, but it was in the middle of nowhere. And after we got into the accident and we didn't have a motorbike, we had no way to get drinking water, no way to do laundry. It got to a point we didn't have any hot water in the house. We ran out of water in the house a couple times because living in the jungle, as beautiful as it looks like on the outside, is a challenge. You know, it's beautiful to live in, but you definitely need to have, you know, some necessity sorted that, for example, in Bangkok, in this condo, we don't have to think about. To get water, we don't even have to go outside. We go downstairs here to the 7th floor, fill up our water bottles, and we're all set. Same thing to do laundry. When we were in Koh Chang, we would have to drive. I think you guys, I'm gonna have to link it in a card or down in the description. But we took you on a day when we went and did laundry, and just to show you what mess that was. Whereas here, we were able to just go downstairs, pay for the laundry, get a notification on our phone, and go ahead and pick it up. And then just wait until you see the room, which I just realized I can see our bedroom because we're on the 9th floor, which is only 2 floors up from the pool, and we have a view of the pool from upstairs. That is definitely our bedroom. That is my shirt. That is my bedroom. And you can definitely see all the way inside our apartment, and I may or may not have walked around naked there. Flashed a little bit of Bangkok, it's fine. Anywho guys, I am going to chillax, write in my journal, swim a little bit more, and then take you to see the upstairs. Alrighty, now that I am done pampering myself, I have made it upstairs where there really isn't a lot to show because it's pretty tiny. There's Daniel. Oh, hi Daniel.
Hey, what are you doing?
You know, just showing our friend what our apartment looks like. How are you doing?
Oh, good. Sorry, I'm a little risque.
All those tattoos are exposed.
Editing one of the Filipino vlogs, so if you haven't seen them already, you should click the link in the description. Check them out. They're pretty cool.
Ah. And in the vein of showing you guys, I talked about the accident. There's his foot in its full glory.
Yep. Hey, I can put pressure on it. A little. I'm resting my foot.
Cuidado. And here's the balcony that people could see us hanging out naked out of, apparently. And that's where I was, down there earlier. So, do you want to explain what's around you?
Yes. Alright, what am I explaining? There's a TV, there's Wi-Fi, there's a computer.
A mess.
There's a couch. No, it's a pretty sweet setup. It has absolutely everything we need, and it's really tiny living, which, A, we kind of like that to begin with. We have such little stuff. When we have a lot of space, especially in the house that we just came from, it just feels like it's empty. And then on top of it, this is how I get around. I can go from the kitchen, I can hop my way to the bedroom.
Oh my god.
So I don't have to use crutches. And almost fall.
Do you want to show us the bedroom?
Yes.
Hop over to the bedroom.
The bedroom.
Ta-ta!
Ta-ta! Way more closet space than we need. It has all sorts of little organization, and honestly, it's just pretty, and I like it. So, I think my favorite part is when you're lying in bed. Here, you can see
Ta-da!
Bangkok City. I love it.
Sea of skyscrapers.
Yeah, see the skyscrapers. It's fantastic. And at night, there's like little lights that twinkle. And during the day, if you want to take a nap, it's perfect.
Now hobble over to the bathroom.
Oh, I misjudged that one.
Uh-oh.
Got it.
How's your foot?
Fine.
Stuck the landing.
Stuck the landing. Exactly. And
Oh, hi guys.
Welcome to the humble abode. I think this is like the nicest shower we've had in a very long time.
It is glorious, that shower. Very hot water.
Hobbling
sink
around
area.
out of breath. How's
Hey,
the sauna?
Not hot.
Are you serious?
I never waited for it. It took too long. I should
Oh
have.
yeah, saunas take like 30 to 45 minutes to warm up.
I didn't know that.
Oh yeah. How did you not? You used to be in charge of one.
I basically killed all of the memories of when I worked at a gym.
Well, thank you for coming on this unexpected room tour. Sorry that I'm half naked the entire time. Anyways, make sure that you smash the like button, hit the subscribe button to follow the rest of our adventures, and I'm really out of breath after hobbling around. Anyways, the end screen is gonna pop up. Click either binge watch from the beginning, check out our Filipino playlist, why not? Because this video is pretty awesome, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Goodbye.